Hey all, it's a short video about Zomato IPO. We all know that restaurant aggregator and food delivery platform Zomato has come out with an IPO basically to raise money from public to the extent of 9,375 crore. First, let's have a picture of what Zomato is all about. Zomato is basically a technology platform which connects the customers, restaurant partners and delivery partners. It provides services to customers as well as to restaurant partners. The services that are provided to customers are customers can search for restaurants through their platform. They can order for food delivery. They can book table in restaurant. They can also make payments while they dine out in restaurants. And the services that are provided to restaurant partners are basically the marketing tools using which they can acquire customers, they can grow business, they can deliver their service. Let's look at the history of Zomato. In 2008, they started with this company DC Foodie Bay Online Services Private Limited. Then in 2010, they made pan-India presence by raising funds to the extent of $1 million from Info Edge India. Then in 2012, they renamed the company as Zomato Media Private Limited. They launched their mobile app and all, and they expanded to various countries like what you see: Dubai, UK, South Africa, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Turkey, Brazil, Indonesia and New Zealand. And in 2020, they renamed the company as Zomato Private Limited, and in 2021, they renamed it as Zomato Limited. Okay, what are the verticals? See, they basically have two verticals, B2C and B2B. B2C is what all of us know. Basically, they are food delivery services, but they also have subscription models. They have a Zomato loyalty service, Zomato other features. And they have B2B, that is, number one is advertisement revenue. Say in Zomato app, you see hotels, right? Some hotels will come first. Okay, that's basically based on the advertisement given by those respective hotels with Zomato. And from that, they get revenue. So they basically get advertisement revenue from hotels and restaurants. Then there is also something called sustainability. Here the focus is on organic food. So they basically procure organic food and supply it to hotels, and that will have a separate labeling and all. So whoever concerned about organic food, they go to that specific hotels, and it develops like a niche. Okay, then they also give business consultancy because they have wide data of customers, like in which region, which type of customer prefers which particular food at what price range. All those details are with them. Then they also have Zomato Cloud Kitchen facility where hotels will share the kitchen, and they also come out with Zomato White Label where they give this app support for hotels, and they are also into event segment. So these two are their verticals, and Zomato is considered as a leading food service platform. And if you look at their monthly active users, they have around 32.1 million as per 2021 financial year. And if you look at their presence, they have presence in India and across the globe in 24 countries. It's in 10,000 plus cities, and Zomato app is considered as most downloaded food and drinks app in both Play Store and App Store. Let's just have a look at their performance as well. If you look at their net worth, in financial year 2019, it was like 25,973 million. In 20, it gone down, and 21 it increased because they raised funds. Okay, and if you look at their revenue, in 2019 it was like 13,126 million. Then in 20 it increased substantially, and in 21 it has come down. Okay, maybe because of the lockdowns what we are undergoing. But if you compare this 19 and 21, there is a growth actually. Okay, then if you look at their EBITDA, in 19 it was negative 22,438 million. In 20 the loss increased. Of course, their revenue also increased. And in 21, yes, the EBITDA loss, the negative figure is coming down, which is actually a good sign. See, here it increased because of a significant increase in revenue, but with that increase in revenue, they were actually incurring losses. But the good thing is, in 2021, their revenue is somewhere like 19,938 million, and the EBITDA loss, okay, that has come down significantly, which is a positive sign. And if you look at the net profit, in 19 it was 10,105 million negative. In 20 it gone to 23,856 million loss, and 21 it is coming down. So it is also coming down. So to that extent, it's a good sign. I mean, the loss is coming down. See, from 22 it is coming down to 4672, and from 10,000 it is coming down to 8,164. But they are not reporting profit yet. Okay, so they are making profit, but that is not adequate enough to cover all the cost. But only one good thing what we can see is the loss is coming down. Loss is coming down. Okay, let's continue. So that's about performance. Then why they are coming out or why they are coming out for this IPO? It's basically for meeting their various growth initiatives, both organic and inorganic. That is, major portion of funds they are going to use it for growth initiatives, organic as well as inorganic purposes. And if you look at their IPO dates, the open date is 14th July, close date is 16th July, allotment will happen on 22nd July, and refund will happen on 23rd July. Credit of share to demat account will happen on 26th, and IPO listing date is 27th July. And if you look at the offer price, it is in the range of 72 to 76, and bidding is something like this. Minimum you have to bid for one lot, where it will be of 195 shares, so that at a price of 76 it's going to be like 14,820 you have to pay, and maximum will be like 13 lots. It means it's like 2,535 shares, and it will be 1,92,660. And who can bid? Up to 75% only qualified institutional buyers. Why? Because we have seen that they were reporting losses. They are not into profit zone. So who can take more risk here? Who can take those calculated risk? Only qualified institutional buyers. So up to 75% it is for qualified institutional buyers. Then up to 10% it is for retail investors, and remaining 15% is for non-institutional buyers. Okay, they can bid. And this video is not a recommendation for Zomato IPO. I have not done any video on IPO or share recommendation, but this is what most of the investors are talking about now. They are interested in knowing something about this company. So I did my bit and piece of research. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.